Okay, so we are going to do an activity today that really takes distribution to the next level, like multiple distributions in the same problem. Okay, number 1. Patrick, let's hear it. What'd you get? We have a 9 and a P in number 1. So how'd you arrive at 27, Patrick? Yeah, how'd you get 27? 3 times 9, distributing in. Okay, what's next? Okay. Thank you so much. Very good. Libby, number 2.
Okay, so for 15, okay, you know how to do it. Anyway, so 15 times F, first of all. 15F.
Correct.
All right. And then we do plus.
Yeah.
All right. And then we do 15 times 1/3, which is 5.
Very good. 15 times 1/3 is 5. It's like 15 divided by 3. Well done. Okay, who can take on this lefty? Number 3, Jacob.
Whoa. Okay, do we have 2C minus 4D?
I'm gonna go with DC, and actually, the way these are typically in textbooks and how you'll see them in math, when there's more than one variable, they'll put it in alphabetical order. So if you put DC, that's fine, full credit, but I'm gonna go ahead and put CD because that's alphabetical order. And then you were right, that's a 4D there at the end. All right, number 4, Sophia, what'd you do there? Oh man, you had your hand up. It's funny how that always works out that way. Wait, you know what I think about number 4 before Zach walks us through it? I'm gonna put that invisible 1 in, okay? In front of your variable, if there is no coefficient, there's that invisible 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. All right, take it away. Okay, so we're going to combine like terms, and you can do it all in one step. But I like how you're explaining this. We'll do the first two. 1 plus 14 is 15. Okay, go on. 9 W's total. Really good. Any questions? Okay, open your workbooks to page 7, yesterday's assignment, and I'm going to call on you guys for answers. Okay, number 22. The product of 9 and t squared. Product means multiplication. 21. All right, the product means multiplication. This is 21. Increase by. Increase means plus. The sum of means I am now going to have another addition. The square of t and 2. All right, I'm going to take this one step further and simplify it. Okay, so associative property would suggest that I could move those parentheses. I could even drop them if I wanted to because it's all addition here. I'm going to make that 9t squared. You know, you can just write that as 9t squared. I could associative property move those parentheses and make this 10t squared plus 2. I could combine like terms here. Okay. 22. I'm going to do something very similar with 22. 3 times the sum of, so I have a sum I'm getting into here, r and d squared. 3 times the sum of r and d squared. So this is where I put sum. 3 times the sum of r and d squared. Minus 2 times the sum of r and d squared. So as it works out, and it definitely a challenge question, what we have here is actually like terms. If I have 3 of these, take away 2 of them, I can actually do that subtraction. 3 take away 2 leaves me with 1 r plus d squared, and we don't need that 1 in front. That could be invisible. And so I saw some of you guys had this answer. This is how the answer came about. You had 3, or taking away 2, there's 1 left over. This is a challenging question. Okay, we're going to do an online activity. We'll see how it goes. You know, every year online activities go differently. We'll see how this class ends it. Alright, so oh my gosh, you know what I didn't think about? Does everybody in here have a username and password for like the webnet? Okay, sounds like you do. Alright, all 3 of these groups, you all come up and get a Chromebook. Once they have sat down, you 3 come up, and then once they have sat down, you guys come up and get a Chromebook. Anyone you want?